Hey guys, so yesterday I did something dumb. I was backing out of my garage and it's kind of in a rush, and I kind of clipped the side mirror, so I broke it. The whole piece kind of came off, and you can see the top piece came off. I'll show you the leftover there, but a lot of stuff just separated, cracked plastics. This is the actuator that moves it, you know, that tilts the glass, the side view mirror, but it's all broken and stuff. So I looked around local marketplace and I saw there was a E53 2001 being parted out. So I asked if they had the passenger side mirror, and I bought it. Now the only difference is that one is a white and mine is blue, so I realized, kind of messing around with it, that my housing is perfectly fine. This didn't break. So my plan is to take it off, get the new piece on, and swap the exterior trim, basically the blue with white. This is the donor part, so from a white E53. So as long as I take it all off and slide it back in, it should work. But I just gotta swap out this white trim with the blue trim to make the car match, and that's what I'll be doing. Come on, buddy. Okay, came off. Okay, now that I took the interior piece off, which one is it? This one's the old one. This one is from this one. Now to take this off, I'll just push back on these clips. There we go, one. And then, where are the rest? There we go. Come off. Okay. Next I gotta take that light connector out. There we go. Came out. Okay, so now this is out. I'll get the blue one and swap it. So now I brought the blue one. So that should match. Again, this one, I'm just confirming there's no damage. The pins are all there. Yep. Looks all good. Perfect. So I'll swap this one on. And then it should be a matter of just plugging this to the window controller. But I do have to take the door panel off on the passenger side. Make sure all those pieces are in the top. Make sure all these pieces are in the bottom, I guess. And then, just a matter of clipping. There we go. That is in. Yep. So it's swapped. Now I just gotta take the one on the car off and just swap this one on. Out. Take out the foam. And then there's this one here too. Take that off. So once you pry that off, you kind of move that, and that's where the foam comes off. Then one here, two here, three here. And you can see this is also holding like a speaker, a little tweeter. So I'll take that off. And then once I do that, I'll make sure the wires for the side mirror are taken off from these straps here. And then it's just a matter of pulling it, I think. Actually, when it came time to remove the cable, I decided to take the door off. You just slide this piece out. You can see my E53 door repair video, and you'll see how I do it similar. Okay. And then here, there's another connected piece on this side. Just gonna push. So there you go. Cable is out. Now all I'll have to do is pull that side out and fish this out from the other side. Okay, now that this is done, close the door and it's just a matter of pulling it out. See, it just comes off. It's one piece. Next I gotta fish the cable out. Okay, so I don't know if you're getting this, but it's all out. So this is part 2 is done. Now part 3 will be hooking it back up. Okay, so I've taken off the whole piece. This is all it is. And confirm it all looks the same. Same kind of pinouts on the connectors here. Connector. And let's see this one here. 4 pieces. 4 pieces. Okay, so here's the new mirror. Gotta be careful. Okay. Ow, 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 ow. Crushed my finger. Slide this piece in there. Okay. Let's put my feet there. Prop the door open. And just okay, it's all in there. So all I gotta do is line it up and then put the screws on the other side. And this foam helps to reduce sound and also acts as a weather guard. So, wonderful. Pretty happy about this. Don't think it's gonna fall out, but just to prevent it from, I don't want it to fall out so that the screws line up. Just gonna apply this on it. Here. And here. Now I can go and put the screws in and that should put it in place. To put the little speaker in. So I'm gonna put that first. And then put this on. Let's guide the wire the right way. Just take that off as well. Okay. Guide it in first so I don't strip it. Looks good. Perfect. Put this in here. Okay. Next, this guy. I think it kind of just goes like that. I pulled it out. I don't think I had to do any other thing here. Yeah, what's that foam there? Cable kind of just goes behind. And this guy comes in here. And go right over the old one. Okay. Any more zap straps needed? I don't think so. It's fine. So now putting the door back on is the next task at hand. Okay. It's all in. Now I'm going to put the battery back on and I'm going to check if I can move the side mirrors. Yep. So I'll move, so hope you saw it on camera too. It moves around. So that's successful. Now I just got to put it back together and call it a day, and hopefully I don't break it again. Wonderful. It's pretty good. Happy about it. And they're solid. Make sure not to knock it over anymore. Peace out, everybody. Hopefully this helped.